holding. We're gonna hold right here, okay? Let me just scoop it right under. And we're gonna breathe in and breathe out right here. All right, great. Okay. So we wanna take it to that range right here. There we go. That was it. Good, good, good. One more time. Deep breath in. Deep breath out. There it goes. All right, those are moving really well. Okay, let's just roll. It's gonna feel like you're gonna fall, but you won't. I got you right here. Roll here. There we go. Okay. So just lean back here. Just relax your hip here. There it goes. All right, that cracked real nice.